Assalamualaikum students, hope you are all safe and sound at your home. I am your math teacher Misbah Kawal. So welcome in your math class. Students, today we are going to review unit number 3, fraction. And student, today's topic is fraction of division, in which we will learn about division of fraction with whole number or fraction and fraction. Let's see example. You can see students, in this example the value is 3 divided 3 by 4. You know 3 is whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction number. Now let's see the solution. Step 1. You convert whole number into the fraction form. Like you can see 3 convert into the 3 by 1. Students, you know जब भी हम किसी होल नंबर को फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं हम उसके डिनोमिनेटर में 1 राइट करते हैं. ओके. Then student, division sign change into the multiplication sign. When you division sign change into the multiplication sign, you also take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Like here you can see the value of the second fraction is 3 by 4. After the reciprocal, students, you will get 4 by 3. Then you get 3 by 1 multiply 4 by 3. Here you can see, student, same factors of any two fractions can be cancelled out, like 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Now your remaining values 1 by 1 multiply 4 by 1. Now both numerators and denominators you multiply and you will get 4 by 1. Now you write only 4. Okay students, now we take the another example to understand the concept more clear. Here you can see the example is 2 by 3 divided by 2. Student, you know first number is given in fraction form and second number given in whole number. Now let's see the solution. Here firstly convert your whole number into the fraction form, like 2 convert into the 2 by 1. Now division sign change to the multiplication sign, so we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Like you can see 2 by 1 convert into the 1 by 2. Then you get 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 2. Now cut the values, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. Now multiply both numerators and denominators. You will get 1 by 3. Now students, we will learn division fraction with fraction. You can see 2 by 3 is a fraction number and 4 by 5 is also given in fraction number. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर अब आपके पास जो सेकंड नंबर है वो फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में ऑलरेडी दिया गया है. इट्स मीन आपने अब जस्ट डिवीजन के साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साइन में चेंज करना है और देन इसके बाद अपनी सेकंड टर्म ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल लेना है. लाइक 4 by 5 change into the 5 by 4. Then both numerators and both denominators you multiply, you will get 10 by 12. Now student, you can see 10 and 12 cut on table of 2, like 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Now you will get 5 by 6. Now we take another example. Here the value is 1 by 6 divided 4 by 5. Students, firstly you convert divide into the multiplication sign and then you take the reciprocal of the second term of the fraction, like 4 by 5 convert into the 5 by 4. Here you can see cutting is not possible, so both numerators and denominators you multiply, like 1 multiply 5 equal to 5 and 6 multiply 4 equal to 24. So your answer will come 5 by 24. Okay students, now we will do unit number 3 fraction, worksheet number 1 and 2. Now firstly we will do worksheet number 1. स्टूडेंट्स, इस वर्कशीट में आपके पास दोनों साइड पर फ्रैक्शंस नंबर दिए गए हैं, यानी डिवीजन फ्रैक्शन विद फ्रैक्शन. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 10. Now let's start the solution. Now your first step is 1 by 2 you write as it is, divide change into the multiplication sign, then take the reciprocal of the second fraction, like 2 by 10 change into the 10 by 2. As you can see, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. After this step, multiply both numerators and both denominators. You will get 5 by 2. Now I will do second question. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. First step is 1 by 2 you write as it is, divide change into the multiply and then take the reciprocal of the second fraction, like 3 by 4 convert into the 4 by 3. Now student, you can see 2 and 4 cut on table of 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Now both numerators and both denominators you multiply, you will get 2 by 3. Now similarly students, you will do next questions. I will do question number 8. 1 by 3 divide 6 by 10. Student, in this first step you write 1 by 3 as it is, then you divide change into the multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of the second fraction, like 6 by 10 convert into the 10 by 6. Now you can see 10 and 6 cut on table of 2, like 2 threes are 6 and 2 fives are 10. Now remaining values you multiply, like both numerators and both denominators you multiply, you will get 5 by 9. Now in this time I will do question number 10. 2 by 3 divided 3 by 4. Here first step is 2 by 3, you write as it is, divide change into the multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of this second fraction, like 3 by 4 convert into the 4 by 3. Here students, you can see cutting is not possible, so both numerators and both denominators you multiply and you will get 8 by 9. Okay students. Similarly student, you will do remaining question, do this method. Now I will do solve worksheet number 2. In this worksheet you will do divide fraction with whole number. Let's do first question. Question number 1 is 3 divided 1 by 3. Students, here first step is whole number convert to the fraction form, like 3 convert into the 3 by 1. Then divide change into the multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of the second term of fraction, like 1 by 3 convert into the 3 by 1. Here student, cutting is not possible, so you multiply both numerators and denominators. So you will get 9 by 1, and you know 9 by 1 equal to 9. After this question I will do question number 3. 4 by 10 divided by 5. Student, you know 5 is a whole number and her fraction form is 5 by 1. Students, when you change the division into the multiplication sign, you will also take the reciprocal of the second fraction, and their second fraction is 5 by 1. Now 5 by 1 change into the reciprocal, so you will get 1 by 5. Now you can see 4 and 10 cut on table of 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 fives are 10. Now multiply both numerators values and both denominators values. Now you will get 2 by 25. Now similarly students, you will do next questions, but I will do question number 8. Question number 8. 3 by 10 divided 8. Here first step is 3 by 10 you write as it is, then divide change into the multiplication sign and 8. 8 is a whole number. When student you take the reciprocal of 8, you will get 1 by 8. Okay. Now you can see cutting is not possible. So both numerators and denominators you multiply and you will get 3 by 80. I hope student you understand this concept. So do complete the worksheet and do practice at your home. Now take yourself. Allah Hafiz.